Hi, I'm John Dev Evila Vicencio, an expert in mechanics with a deep passion for problem solving. Ever since I was a child, I've been fascinated by how things works out, how gears move, how engines roar to life, and how mirror adjustment can make a world of difference. This curiosity led me to pursue my education at Caraga State University, where I refined my technical skills and gained hands-on experience in mechanical systems. At Caraga State University, I immersed myself in a world of mechanical engineering and technology through rigorous coursework, practical workshop, and real-world application. I developed a strong foundation in diagnostic repair and optimization. My training has equipped me in my expertise in areas like automotive mechanics, machine maintenance, and precision engineering. I
Oh, I
work on
see.
projects that I challenge my ability to troubleshoot and enhance efficiency, ensure system runs smoother, stronger, and longer. Throughout my journey, I work on diagnostic and repairing in intricate mechanical issue, ensuring efficiency and reliability. And every system I handled, whether a troubleshooting engine, optimizing performance, or developing innovative solution, I thrive into in turning challenge into success. One of my proudest moments was successfully leading team in repairing and restoring the outdated mechanical system. After weeks of analysis, testing, and precision work, we revive it beyond expectation, increasing in efficiency by 30%. Beyond technical expertise, I bring precision, perseverance, and teamwork to every project. Mechanics isn't just about fixing things. It's about understanding how they work, predicting problems before they arise, and improving them for the future. My ability to analyze problems truthfully, propose innovative solution, and execute repairs efficiently set me as apart. I also excel
I
in working collabor- collaboratively with teams ensure smooth coordination and effective problem solving in high pressure environment. What truly drives me in the satisfaction of seeing a func- functioning system and knowing that my expertise played a role in its success. I approach every task with a commitment, adaptability, and keen eye for detail. Whether it's small repair or a major overhaul, I believe that every effort should contribute to creating something that lasts the performance is the best. Moving forward, I am eager to expand my skill in advanced mechanical system, automation and sustainability, and engineering. I am to work an environment where innovation meets practically, where I can contribute to the meaningful project, push boundaries, and continue refining my craft. I am excited about opportunities that allow me to apply my skills, collaborate with Great Mind, and grow, for, grow further and field mechanics. Isn't just my profession, it's my passion, and committed to make a last impact. Thank you for your time. I'm looking forward to connecting.